ascending. Like, so now what you have to do, you need to bring the first slide like this. Okay. Then like this, you need to bring one by one, but not now. What you have to do, you need to.
Sir, I have doubt, sir. If I don't have a video on PowerPoint, what should I do, sir?
Okay, okay, I'll tell you. The first thing you need to have some kind of uh, text or slides. Any one first. It's up to
Okay,
you which one you will prepare first. For example, you want to go with some kind of talk. Okay. So for that,
okay,
what you
sir.
have to do, you have to record voice using your phone or computer or laptop. That is first step. In other scenario, you will make the presentation first like this. Then you will add the voice later. So anything
Okay, sir.
should be done first, depending on your choice. Okay. So in this scenario, first we made presentation, then later we are going to add voice. Okay. So that I'm
Okay,
going to
sir.
teach you now. Look at here. Now to add voice, you will have two options. One is, sometimes in your laptop or computer, you may not have good good sound, something like that. Okay, good sound quality.
Okay,
In such case you can use mobile. So usually in mobile we get very good quality, excellent quality. Okay, so there is third option also. Third option is you can have Zoom meeting only with you, nobody will be there. Just you need to conduct a Zoom meeting, open a new meeting. In the Zoom app, there will be like there you need to talk, start recording and talk. Okay, Andy? For example,
sir.
now whatever I am talking, it is recording in the Zoom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, what you have to do, you need to open Zoom app to record anything. Okay. Then start talking. Okay. Then I will go to my Zoom folder. Okay. You keep it open. Okay. Then go to Zoom. So look at here. Last time when we had, or I'll just take another class, maybe this one. Last time when I had with other students, in the Zoom document, you will find the recorded videos or audio file here. In the documents, Zoom, there will be there will be folders with the date. For example, date and the Zoom meeting title will be here. For example, IT training is there. This is the video recording with the screen.
Okay,
If you
sir.
share your screen or if you appear, if you turn on your webcam, that thing will be shown here, including voice. But now in this scenario, we don't need that video because we are already having the scene on the screen. Slides we have. This is enough for us. We don't need the video. So when you record like that, you will get audio file also separately. Look at here, audio. This is single, just audio only. So what you have to do, you
Okay.
need to bring this one. For example, I take this one to this one. For example, I go here, then import media, then I go to that path. Here, I'm just doing some kind of shortcut. Again, I don't need to open this path in the Clipchamp one by one, but I can just click here. So I'll be able to select like this. Then right click, copy, then go to Microsoft Clipchamp. I'm just pressing Alt tab to move to the opened window. In the file name area, I need to press Control V. So I'll get that path. The file will not be open now, but I can see the path when I click on open. So I'll just go to that path immediately. No need to do one by one from here like that. So in the audio for this one. So I just choose here, open. Okay. Then it will be loaded somewhere here. I think this is the one audio. So I need to bring it like this. Okay, like this. Then what you have to do, it's up to you how many times you record in the Zoom. My suggestion, what you can do while recording, you open the Zoom app. Okay, so after opening the Zoom app, 1 minute only. Are you getting the options? For example, mm, I think you know how to use the Zoom. I think you are using. Okay, Andy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the Zoom, when you are in a meeting, you will see a record button below. So you see this one and open the Zoom, create meeting, click on record button and start talking about this one. Okay.
Sir.
First, for the first slide, for example, I'll just talk something. Uh, Dear colleagues, now we are going to see the report on our annual review. Something like that, you just speak. Okay. Then, when you finish speaking for the slide one, go to Zoom. There will be stop recording button. Click that one. Okay. So, after that, what will happen? There will be a separate audio file will be for the first part, like where you start, where you stop. For that, there will be separate audio file. Then immediately you will not see the audio for the second one or third one, whatever you are going to, because you are still in meeting, but you just stopped recording only. Okay, now you can just keep it open that Zoom backend. Okay, now what you have to do, you need to bring the, okay, for example, at the end you have some kind of extra thing. So you can cut like this. So I need only up to here. So what I will do, I will cut this one. Then this extra part I don't need. I'll just keep like this. I adjust the duration of this audio. Now I got slide and I got audio. Now the next step is bring the slide to here. Okay. Now keep the playhead here. So you will see what is there on the screen. Okay. Now again go back. Okay. Still you are in Zoom meeting. You did not close the Zoom meeting. But what you did, you just stopped recording only. Okay. When you are about to start the slide 2, again on Zoom, you click on start recording. Okay. Then speak about this slide. Okay, for example, now let's see. Okay, I'm just talking about the slide only. For example,
Okay, sir.
uh,
Okay.
now let's see what are the contents we are going to discuss in this presentation. Let's move on. Then, Allah, like that, you can just say something about this slide. After
Okay.
telling what you have to do in the Zoom, again click on stop recording. So, like that, finally, what will happen? You will have, for example, how many slides we have? We have 14 slides. Finally, you will have 14 audio clips. So that sequence will be there like in the sequence. So whenever you bring a slide, you bring the corresponding audio file and place it below here. And there will be some kind of extra part because, until you close, it will take some time. So that part you need to adjust when you bring the audio. For example, imagine this is the audio for second slide. But before that, you need to import all the audios. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like, audio, some number, then audio, some other number. For each slide, you will have different audio files. Then you need to bring all these things and keep it ready here. Then to bring one by one according to the this one. Okay. If you want, what you can do, you in the Zoom, you rename this one. For example, here, slide one. Okay. Then copy. There will be another version, like another file for the slide 2. Just rename. Rename all the audio files like slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Okay. So these things, if you put it here, it will be easy for you. So slide 1 audio file goes with slide 1 JPG file. So like that you will sync. Okay. Finally, okay, now we got this one. This is okay. This is slide 1 audio, slide 2 audio. Okay. Now here we have some kind of extra part. So what we can do, we can delete this audio. Look at here. If I want to move right side, what I can do, I can move like this. See, not this one, I think. Yeah, I think there is nothing. Yeah, like this. Okay, I need to click on zoom out so I can see from far, I can see more timeline area. Now I don't need this part. Imagine this is extra part. This is a recorded one while I am moving to zoom and stop recording. So I don't need this extra part. I'll just click here, then put the playhead in the proper position, then split. So this part will be separated, then delete it. So this is the procedure for compiling, compiling the audio and video and the video parts. And so finally you will have full presentation. So later when you have time, try to make your own presentation and it show me also, or you can just note down the problems what you are facing. And if you don't understand something, you can ask me again once you did the first project. Okay, then we will discuss. Okay, Andy. Now, is it clear, Andy? This procedure, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will move to the next scenario. So in the next scenario, what will happen? You will not make the presentation first. You will come up with only the speech, audio only. So in such case, what you will do? Maybe you will have some kind of script in your paper or some kind of points which you want to discuss. Sometimes, you go to stage and you give speech, but you will not write entire speech. What you will do? You will write the key points, the points which you want to discuss.
Subtitles.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
It is called not subtitles. It is called key points only or important,
Okay, sir. Key
just
points.
titles only. For example, you will explain something about some topic, large information, but you will write only one title for that one. Okay, that is called key point. Like this: introduction, results from last year, team members, what's new, closing. Like this, you will have some kind of list. You will discuss, for example, team. You will discuss about team. Then next, suddenly you will forget, maybe. Then you will see here in the paper in front of with you. You will see this what's next. Okay, now we will talk about this one, like that you start speaking. So you will have a nice speech. Okay, that speech you need to bring. But how you will record that one? The first step is making notes, key points, then keep in front of you. It can be in front of your computer or typed text or whatever is there, or you just make and some notes in front on the paper and just see and give records, record the voice. For that, what you have to do, you need to, again, you can use Zoom, because why I always recommend you to use the Zoom app to record voice, because the reason is like this. If you record using any software like this, or maybe okay for the, it is okay if you have good speaker in your computer, it will not give any noise. But sometimes what happens, the computer and these softwares may give some kind of noise like sound. Again, you need to use some third party applications to remove the noise. So even if I'm making some tutorial videos, like presentation type videos, I use Zoom for recording, because you know what Zoom does? It will remove the noise. For example, you have somebody speaking at far. If you are using other software, that sound, that talks may be recorded in your conversation, but in Zoom that won't happen. It will take audio only from nearby areas, so you will not listen any. For example, somebody is working, like they are doing some kind of construction work, they are making so much noise in the next room, that also won't be recorded in the Zoom. Okay, so that is the best option for recording voiceover. Okay, so you can also use Zoom when you are making presentation like that. So in that scenario, you will make script and you will record audio in the Zoom. Then finally, you will get the audio file in the Zoom folder. You don't need this one actually, but you will just need only the audio file from the Zoom. Then after that, okay, for that, what you will do, let's go to the new project again. So I'll click here. back to home. Continue with us. So in this scenario, again, we'll choose create a new video, then import audio, import media. So I choose my whole recording. It will be a single audio or it can be split also. For example, the talk was 1 hour, but you have recorded for 15 minutes and you went outside. Then after that, you made another Zoom meeting. So maybe you will have 2 3 audio files, not a problem. Whatever audio files are there, you can just choose open and bring it here. For example, I bring these 2 files. Okay, open. Then my 2 audio files will be here. But why it is not loading? Only one loaded. Slide 2. Yeah, because it is like copy of it. That's why it is not loading. But if it is if it is for if it is really second audio, it will load. I think that's okay. So here you need to bring the audio file like this. So now look at the screen. There is only one audio. You don't have anything to show. It is just audio in this scenario. Okay. Now what you have to do? You see any YouTube videos about facts, Sandy? Let's see something. I will open YouTube now. So here, this is my YouTube homepage. So here I'm searching facts video about, okay. So when I type like this, I got so many things. Facts video about science. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. So we'll get something. For example, okay, 8 mind-blowing science activities and experiments. See here.
أيضا إنه جدا بالائتلاف غير الطبيعي إنه لي إحساس بالتلطيف وأنه من حماية.
Again, there is advertisement is coming, but let me share the sound from the video. Share sound. Remember, Andy, when you are recording something on Zoom, you need to choose share sound option to have that record outside, out for the outside people. For example, you are in a meeting, you are playing something like how I am playing. You need to you need the audience make them listen the sound. So in such case, what you have to do, you need to go to more from Zoom options, choose share sound. Then only the audience can listen the sound properly from the system. Otherwise, the sound may not be proper. Okay, let me play this one. Okay, so here what happened, how they made. So in this video, they put just background music. But in our video, what we do maybe some kind of voiceover only. For example, Bright Side, we open this channel, Bright Side. This is a famous channel for facts kind of videos, okay? So if you open this channel, you will see that examples.
Which
With
one is it?
Bright Side.
Bright side.
These are just for
Sir.
example. Andy. So don't touch me or real AI. Okay. So let's play this.
AI art? Sure, why not? Artificial intelligence is like a computer brain that can learn and make decisions on its own.
Okay. Now the what actually the thing what I was telling. First, you need to have recording. Place it in the Microsoft Clipchamp. Then here, whatever you are talking related to that information, you need to bring the overlays. It can be photo or it can be video. Okay. In this video, let's see what they are doing.
Well, some clever artists have figured out a way to use AI to make art.
Okay. So what they did, they just put audio, and they put some kind of video animations related to the topic. So in
Yes,
our
sir.
case also, what we have to do, we have to listen our audio and we have to bring something here to show. For example, you are talking about a team, so you may have your team photos. Then go to import media and bring those photos. So in such case, I don't need to bring anything from my local computer, but in the Clipchamp, we can find some photos. When we go to this content library, if you scroll down, you will see the photos section, images. So here, just for practice purpose, I am bringing some images. Okay, I put it here. Okay, no, actually I need to open, then it will be there like this. Then I will bring it here. Okay,
Are they from local computers, sir?
no. They are from Clipchamp app and they give us for free for practice and also for using in the video. See, this is there. I am zooming in. Okay, this photo I drop here. Then I need to extend like this. For example, regarding the first photo, I given speech. I have given speech for 40 seconds. So I need to adjust the photo duration, okay, for 40 seconds. Then I started talking about something. Okay. Then the scene got changed. So I need to bring a relevant photo here and I need to place. So what will happen, how it will happen, you need to listen the audio and place the playhead in proper position and bring the next photo. For example, you're talking something about this one. You bring the photo. This is just for practice. That's why I'm bringing the random images just to show how it works. But in the real presentation, you will have all the resources. Okay. So that resources, that photos, for example, you are talking about some kind of incident. You already gave the speech. Now you have the photos about those incident. So those incident photos you need to bring here. It can be video or photo, anything, and place it here. And you can extend the duration according to the speech. Okay. How much time you are speaking, that one. Remember, if it is photo, you can extend up to any duration. But if it is a video, you cannot extend like this because the video will play for maybe 20 seconds and 30 seconds and later on nothing will be there. It is not a photo. If it is photo only, you can increase the duration because it's a still image. Okay, so that you need to remember. This time I will import some kind of videos. So for that I go to content library. Earlier you asked me, are they from my local computer? No. If they are from local computer, here we need to use this button, your media button, to import our files. Okay, you need to go to import media, then bring the files from your local computer and open, then they will be here. But in this example video, I'm not importing from my computer. I'm going to content library. Content library belongs to Microsoft Clipchamp. They provide us some free to use images. Okay, so I go back here, then I scroll down for the videos. So here we have categories. For example, here we have, again, I go to previous step because I am in this category, all images. I don't want images. I want to go back to get the videos. So go back, then go to the video section. For example, you are talking about some kind of AI technology. So you bring that one here. Okay, here it is not coming because we have to enter into the category. Then we need to bring the video like this and place it here. Like I mentioned before, I cannot increase the video duration because it is fixed. If it is photo, I can increase like this. If it is even slide, that is image, so I can increase. But for the video, what I can do, I can reduce the duration, but not increasing. Okay, I can reduce the duration, but I cannot increase. So this you need to remember. So according to audio, you need to place the photos or videos, then you will move forward. Okay. So now you have all those things, Sandy. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do some kind of additional things. you assemble the video. For example, I go here. Okay. So all these things I don't need, I cut. I go to split. Okay. Okay. Now I'll just adjust this one like this. So now I have the video duration matching to the clips. Okay. Until now we assembled these things. Okay. Usually for any video presentation, we need to add some kind of title slide. Okay. And some kind of credit slide also, like who are doing, like, at the end you will see presented by so and so, some names who worked on the presentation or team members names. So these two things you need to add. Okay. For that, what we will do, the best thing, you can make that title slide in PowerPoint or Canva. In our case, we use PowerPoint because you are already familiar with PowerPoint. We'll go to PowerPoint again. So in PowerPoint, I got this slide. So you make some kind of title slide about your presentation. You make some presentation. So for that, we are not going to make new one, but I'll just go to template. So for example, I choose this one. Okay. Then I don't need all these things. I need only the title slide and the ending slide. Only these I need now. So here I will type the presentation title and presenter name I will type if required. Otherwise, whatever information you want to type, you can type, for example, date or place, anything, whatever you want to show on the title slide, you can type, you can include. But in this case, they have mentioned only these things. How to convert, how to make video using Clipchamp, video presentation. I can say video presentation. This is our title. Okay. So I just write present ending by. So like this, I just type. Then I need to align this one properly because this is not aligned like this. So align properly. Then relevant picture you can keep. Okay. Related to the topic. Okay. For now, I'm not going. Okay. If you want to change picture, just double click. And in the picture format, you will see this thing. You can choose the picture from stock images or online or from local computer. Let's choose from local computer. Then I go to downloads. Earlier, I downloaded some pictures. So just for practice, I just use this one. So I got the picture here. Okay. So now my credit slide is ready. My title slide is ready. I need the credit slide also. For example, thank you, then my name, then email, then here PR learning. This is my YouTube channel name. So like this, I can mention. Now I need to get these things into image format because in Microsoft Clipchamp, it accept image files usually. So we'll go to file. First is let's save this one because whatever you make, you need to have the original files also to edit in the future. For example, I just make here a folder, PowerPoint, PowerPoint class, Clipchamp class. So I just put here title and credits slide. Okay. So I just saved the PowerPoint file only. Now I need to get the images. I go to file, save as, then I choose this PC. This time I choose JPG. JPEG. Then when I click on save as, I get this dialog box. Which slides do you want to export? All slides? This one, just this one. So if you are doing only the current slide, if you are going to work only on the title slide, just use this slide. But I want both slides, all slides. So I choose all slides. So here we got another message. Each slide in your presentation has been saved as a separate file in the folder. So this folder will be located in the same place where we saved the presentation. So let's go there. Delete Clipchamp class. This is our presentation, and here is a folder created by PowerPoint to save the JPEG files. It creates automatically. Let's see. Our slide 1 is there, slide 2 is there. Now we'll go to Clipchamp, go to the starting point, then we go to the media, then we'll import. So this time I go to delete, then this folder. So I need only the first slide now. Slide 1, open. It will be here. This one you need to bring it to the starting point. Don't replace, don't do like this. If you choose like this, what will happen? This image will be replaced. Okay, don't do like this. You need to put at the beginning like this. So when you see that green color line, you need to drop it. Then it will be adjusted. So your audio should also move like this. Okay. So now let's see. This is okay. Let's play. We have this one title slide. Then we have the actual presentation. If you, this is audio related to the slide, but what if you want to add some kind of music to this? So what you have to do, you need to go to here we have content library. From here, you can get the music. For example, in the content library, scroll down, here is the audio. Okay. So Clipchamp selects all content music. Music is like, some kind of music which we can use for the whole slides or presentation. Sound effects such as like door sound, calling bell sound, those phone ring sound, those are small sounds. Those will be in sound. But for now, we need only music. So we'll choose something. Let's see. Clipchamp selects. Here we have something. Let's play this one. If you like the music, what you have to do, you need to bring it like this. Bring it like this. But better, my suggestion, don't put it here. If you okay, it's okay. You can put like this, not a problem. So it will take only that part because this slide, this audio is related to this one. It understand you need only up to this area. So it places like this. But if you place this one in the down, the below track, it will be full. The Clipchamp understood that you are going to use this music only for this slide. So that's why it placed only little part. Okay. So this I don't need, I will delete. Okay. Andy? So now we got the title slide and we got this one. We'll go to the last part. Then we add the ending slide, like, credit slide. For that, I go to your media. Then
Import.
slide 1, I think I did not import. So slide 2, open. I can import and keep it ready along with slide 1, but I did not do that one. I'll place it at the end. Okay. This I want to adjust the timing. For example, you can see here the duration. Okay. So I think no, here I cannot see properly. But okay, from here, like 1 second, you can see the number there. This is 1 minute 39 seconds, 1 minute 42 seconds, like that. So how much duration you want, you can just put it here and bring the audio from here. Same audio, it's okay. Copy, then put the playhead here, paste it, then adjust the duration. Sir, this session will end in 1 minute. Okay, you can,
Okay.
if you have time, you can join again. I think we did not bring anything. After some time, when we
Okay.
bring something, we can edit using this timeline. Okay. So
Okay.
in the last session, we were discussing this your media. So in the your media section, what will happen? We bring the things from here, then we place it there.
Okay.
For example, this is one of the training session. If you want to edit, you can just bring here, then place it here. So after
Okay,
placing
sir.
here, you can start editing. So that editing will do later, but now I'm just explaining these things. And
Okay, okay, sir.
record and share, record and create. I think I covered all these things. Did you remember, Andy? Like if
Yes,
you
sir.
record camera, screen, audio, it is a new feature they added. So you can directly record voice over to the slides here. Recently we got,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So you know how it works. For example, if you bring any photo or something, video or anything, you can place like this and click on audio, then choose allow, then click
Okay,
here,
sir.
then start
Sir.
recording. Okay, then start
Okay, sir.
recording about the slides. So
Okay,
now
sir.
it is recording. Once you are done, just click here, choose save and edit. Then that
Okay, sir.
recorded audio will be placed here. Let me show you. Yeah, I think this is the one. So you need to bring like this, then start editing. Yeah, actually it is there, but it is very short one. That's why we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
see properly. So this is the audio part. Comparatively video duration, the audio duration is very short. That's why we cannot see in a bigger view. When we zoom in like this in the timeline, when we move to the left side area, we can see this one properly. Okay. So with this, you can record audio and yeah, you can use for your presentations. The next one, what we have, whatever we are going to bring here. For example, if you need some kind of stickers or subscribe, these things, it will be available here. You can bring it and do. After explaining all these things, I will make some kind of presentation. Then I will explain like real projects. Then we'll work on that one. Then next one, templates. See, Andy, let's continue from templates today. So all these things we discussed before. So templates are like, in the PowerPoint also we discussed templates. So if you open any template, you can easily make changes and quickly you can finish the presentation. Let's see what are the templates are available here. For example, for YouTube, for Christmas, slideshows, birthday, social media ads. So like that, there are some categories. When you are free, you can just open one by one, see how they made. If you open and see, you will understand how they are doing, like, how many layers are there, what arrangement they made like that. Let's look at one example. For example, I click on YouTube. Okay, when I click on YouTube, I got some sample videos here. For example, acknowledgement of land. So this is a short clip, and this one peaceful video intro. So it's a kind of introduction. Let's remove this one. I'm just clicking this video and pressing delete button. Now let's remove this one also. Just select and delete. Okay. At the end there is one more thing. We need to delete this one also. Now let's bring this template. See, this is a template we can modify because it is already designed, but it's editable. So to bring this one, you need to click here, use template. So when you click on use template, it will be available here. Let's look at the arrangement and let me zoom in. See here, there are minus and plus. If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to see these elements in bigger size, or if you want to see the timeline in closer view, what you have to do, you have to click here, zoom in. Then you can see the things clearly from closer view. Let's play once, let's see what is there. Look at the arrangement and what they made here. They put some kind of video. Background they put video. Then they put this text. Okay, this text
Yes,
here.
sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
again there is a small text. Let's do in the same way. We can also make one small design like that. So for that, what we will do, we'll go to here, click on new video. We'll get like this. So to make similar one, we need some kind of nice background. Okay, so background or some video you can get from here, from where you will get from content library. Okay, so let's bring something from here. Let's go to, let's scroll down, go to video section. Okay, Clipchamp selects. This is one of the categories. Scroll down, there will be so many. Okay, for example, this is very nice. So let's bring this one to the timeline. Let's play. It is okay. See, this is very nice video. Some kind of scenery and all. Okay. In the template, if you remember, first there is a video, then there is some kind of background music also. So background music also will bring it here. From where we can bring, we can go to, we can click on, no, no, not from here, from content library. You go back here. Then here the videos is filtered, so close this one, then go to audio. Okay, from here you can see many things like, Clipchamp selects, that means they suggest some kind of audio files, but this one music,
Okay.
this one sound effects. But we, in this
Okay.
context, we need the music, not the sound effects. So let's click on music.
Okay.
Okay, here there are some kind of categories. For example, chill, intro, sad. So which type of music you want, you need to select. Let's choose piano. Okay, then let's listen to it. This music is nice. Okay, so if I want to add this one to this video, you need to bring like this, and better, you see drop here. There is some message. You drop there like that. Okay. After dropping, make sure you align this one to the left side. So starting place like 0. Okay. Now let's play. So video is playing, audio is also playing. Do you hear the sound, Auntie?
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what happened? We played this one, but the audio duration is more, the video duration is less. So let's
Yes, sir.
the same. How we can keep the same? Just put the playhead here. Try to go to the last frame of this video by pressing like this. Maybe you can press right arrow like this. So you can zoom further. For example, like this. You can zoom further. Maximum you can zoom. So you can see very clearly. This is the maximum we can zoom. So here you can easily, now what you can do. Okay. This is the next frame, the last frame of this one. Put it here. Then here, what we have to do, we have to cut this one. How we can cut this audio? Use this split button. Then we
Correct.
got these two pieces. So this one piece we can delete by pressing delete button on keyboard. So now our
Okay.
total duration is 10 seconds. You see here, this is
Yes, sir.
10 seconds. Okay, let's play one more time. Home, actually that was not the home. So when you press
Yes, sir.
home button on the keyboard, you will reach to the 0 timestamp. So this is 0
Okay, sir.
timestamp. Let's play. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. Now, in the template, did you remember what next? They added some kind of heading, then subheading. We will add the
Yes,
text
sir.
also. So for that, what we will do, we'll get some kind of nice quotation. Okay. We'll go to Google. Okay. So motivational quotes like that we'll get. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. Okay, see, so we will have two lines, and one is the quote and one is this one. So we will have two text boxes similar to the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
video. So let's keep this one. No need the number one. We'll just get this one because since this is saying we have to keep the quotes also. Let's get this one. Right click, copy. Then we'll go to the Clipchamp. I'm pressing Alt tab to go there. Now we need a text box. This is text box area. So now you need to select a template. For example, you see, just keep the mouse there and see the design, whichever you like and whichever color you like, you need to bring that one here. Okay. So let's scroll down. Let's take this one or this one. This is better. So we will bring this one. We will place it at the beginning like this. And now press home button on your keyboard and see this is not the starting point. This is not the starting. So you need to bring it like this. Okay. To the left side. Okay. Now what we have to do, just bring the playhead to this area.
Ending.
You can see the text. Now we need to edit the text. How we can edit the text? Just click here. In the top right corner, you will see this
Text.
one letter. Something is blocking on my screen. Okay. So now click on text. This is the text button to get the template and to bring it here. But this is the area to edit the text. Okay. So when you click this one, you will have this dialog box. Here you paste that one. So earlier it was fireworks. Now we will paste that one. Control V. So we got this one. But the problem is it is taking into single line. So what we have to do, we have to break this one into contents. For example, you can press enter here like this. Then again, you have got to gap and we can press enter here. So nicely we got this one. Still, if you want to make it bigger size, you can make like this, bigger size. Okay. Now let's keep this one top. Okay. Now we need another text box. Okay. But this one, how much time we keep? Maybe like 6 seconds enough. After that, we will have the name. Okay. So let's play. Now I'm going to zoom out the timeline to see from far like this. Okay. So this text I will extend up to 10 seconds duration. Same like this one. Okay. Now maybe after 6 seconds, we can show the author name. Okay, like that. So let's bring the same text box or different one. So this time we'll choose this one. This is another template. Let's bring it here, place it here. Okay, let's move to maybe 6 seconds timestamp area. Then reduce this one, adjust to this same duration. Now click here 2 times or not necessary to double click. Just what you have to do, you need to go to this text area, then get the author name or whatever you want to put there. This one. Copy, then paste. Okay, we got this one, but the position is not correct, so you need to bring it here. Okay, so now, until now we learned how to place the text from there. Okay, but we can do something else. See, when you click the text box, there are some elements, some options here. Here you can change the font. For example, scroll down and you can keep the font you like. For example, this one maybe, yeah, like that. Or yeah, this is also good, but this is too big. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, let's keep this one. Okay, now we'll keep like this. Then this one, okay, the name, let it be like that. If you want the name font also, again go here and change font, whatever font you like. Okay, so like this I'll put. Okay, now better to keep the same font if you want to maintain the uniformity. Okay, like this. Now let's bring it here. Let's play one more time. but the duration is not same, so we'll keep like this. Let's play everything one more time. So like this, we can have some kind of some message oriented videos. Then now click on export. When you, I'm just telling, we just made like 10 seconds video. Then this is a project file of Microsoft Clipchamp. This file is only for us for editing and creation. But if you want to send a video and if you want to
Sir,
get the video from this file, you need to click on
sir.
export button here. Then
Okay, sir.
choose the quality. For example, if you choose 48 pixels, 48p, 480p means pixels. This quality doesn't good. So you need to choose little higher, but 720p, see here, description, smaller file, fast export. This is like a medium quality. But if you want to have nice high quality, you can go for 1080 pixels HD quality. So we'll get the high quality picture. Still, you can use, you can import, you can export in larger size, like 4K Ultra HD. But you
Okay.
see here we have this like premium symbol. That means we have to pay, then it will come. But not necessary. This 1080 pixels is more than enough. So let's click this one. Then see the percentage. It is exporting now. While exporting, if you want to give a name to this video, you can just give here. For example, motivational quote. So we'll put today's date. So while editing, we can give like that. After finishing the 100%, this video will be available in downloads folder. Let's click here. So we got into this folder, then double click. This is our video. Yes, Andy. So like this, you can make simple, nice videos in a quick time. Okay. So
Sir.
I explained one using one template, Andy. So later when you are practicing, you see the templates and try to do in the same way, like practice. For example, first open a template. Then let me show you, but I will not do, but I will tell you how to proceed with the homework. Okay. Go to create a new video. Then go to templates. Okay. Then choose any of, for example, birthday. Okay. So you have some kind of birthday message or something. Just see some samples, how they made. There are 3 samples only, but just see. This is like an invitation. So in the previous one, what I did not use the template as it is created. We made a new
Yes,
video.
sir.
But if you don't, because I want to teach you how to make from the beginning. That's why I taught. But it is once you learned, it is not necessary to do from the beginning by taking new phase like that. For example, you have some kind of invitation you want to make, so you can use this template directly. This time we'll use this template and make some changes. For example, add to timeline. Click on add to timeline. Then you will get all these things. Then instead of creating new, you can just change the details. Scarlett's birthday party. So here, click here, then go to text, then type, for example, you write some name, for example, Shashi's, something, just I put random name, Shashi's birthday party, like that. Then some video they put. Okay, let's keep this. But in case if you want to use your photo, your children videos, children photos like that, what you can do? See, this is the video clip. This is the video clip. Okay, this is audio clip, the background music. Okay, we are seeing in this area. Let's play. For example, if you want to change this video to your own, what you can do, you can just from your media, you import the file from your camera or somewhere, then bring it here. For now, I'll take something from your content library only. Then I just go to this video visuals. In the visuals, okay. So I need to go to video section to get some kind of video. I can search here, for example, uh, cute boy. Okay. So in your case, you will put your original photo. So I just get this one. But here the problem is this is paid, I think. We cannot use this one. But it's okay. Because we searched, so we got this one. No problem. For example, I choose any other video, for example, happy. I think these are not the videos. Let's go to videos again. Visuals. In the visuals area, we'll see videos. Let's go to any category. For example, Christmas is there. Okay. Here also we got so many paid. This is free. So imagine this is your video. If you want to bring it here, see, do like this. Drag it onto the clip like this. When you place here, what will happen? The old video will be replaced with the new one with the same duration. Let's play and see. The new video we got. And this is another video. Again, if you want to change to your own video, you can. So we have maybe small clips you can keep there. Then you are invited. Okay, let's keep the same. No need to change. The time, if you want to change this, which is time, date, and time. Here in the right side, when you click text, you will see this edit.
Text and edit.
He can edit. You can edit and change the font, and here you can change the size. Even the color you can modify if you want to keep in different color like this. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the things here. Position. Position means like if you click left, it will be left side. Based on this one, you can, but this time let's keep center like this. Okay. These are the basic editing things. So when you are practicing, just have a look templates, and some templates you can use directly just to change the content. But some templates use those ideas and try to make your own videos based on the templates and ideas using blank slide, like blank video template, blank video only. Okay. Now this text templates, I think we covered. You can practice, and if you have some doubts, you can ask me again. Now let's go to the next part. This one we already discussed because we made some kind of text and we brought. So here you need to select the text and bring it here wherever you want to keep, and by pressing T, this text icon, you will be able to change the things. You can change here, change font, change size, change color, and position. Just very simple options only. Now let's go to the transitions. Do you know about transitions, Andy?
No, sir.
Yeah, actually transitions are called, when you see any video between scenes, there will be some kind of animation. Okay, that is called transition. For example, let's play this one. Now, after completing this video, when we move to this video, it is coming directly. But sometimes we see some kind of designs. So how to put those kind of designs? You need to go to transitions and choose the design which you like. For example, you just put the mouse there, then you see the design, then bring it here, place it between those two slides like this in center. But if it is not allowing you to put what you have to do, you need to click here, like, maybe you need to click. Wait, let me put again. Let me try again. Actually, due to some problem, it is not allowing me to put here, but you can put it here. Okay. Let me try again. Just let's bring this one. No, some technical issue. It is not allowing. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let me try to add here. Now here I can add. So just some technical issue, I think, but now I can add. See, I brought that one to this place. Now I will play. See that effect. See that movement, that kind of animation, that is called transition. Transition is like a kind of animation which we use between the slide. We drop between the slides, then you will see that kind of thing. Here there are some things you need to remember. If you want to change this transition, you need to click here. Okay, you need to click here. Then right side there is transition tab, this tab. Then you will see here. The duration you can change from here. For example, if you increase the duration, what will happen? Animation will take longer time. See that animation takes longer time. If you reduce this one, it will be faster. See now that animation between slides, it came faster. Okay. But anytime if you want to change the transition, if you don't like, then again you can have change here. Just to click here, then keep some other transition. For example, let's keep this circle one. Okay, I think it's already changed. Yeah, done. Okay. 1 minute. I think that was gone. No problem. We'll put again. So let's bring it here. Okay, later if you want to change, you just click here. It will be changed automatically. Now let's play. This transition will play now. So whenever you want to change, just click here, that's all. Then see the transition. Change. So in the transition, what are the settings are available? You can change the transition, you can remove the transition, and also what you can increase the duration. If you increase the duration, that animation will show for longer time. Okay. This is about transition, very simple. Okay. Now the next one is brand kit. This we cannot use here in the free version. Whoever paying money and who are getting the upgraded version, they will see this brand kit area. But here you can add fonts, you can add colors, you can add logos. So it will be in the system. Then you can every time you can drop on. Actually, the thing is, you can have more control. For example, if you take any company, commercial corporate company, they use some kind of same brand colors. So those colors they will set here and they use regularly. For them, it helps them to keep the same combinations, color combinations, same logos, same fonts like that. But this one we are not using now because we are using only paid free version. Okay. Okay. Now, whatever we see here, we discussed, and the next part is this area. Let's see one by one what is here. This is a preview window I already discussed. If you want to show auto caption, sometimes if you have any text, you will see, for example, let's try this one. Show auto captions. That means if somebody is speaking, those speech will be displayed there. Let's experiment. For that, we need to have some kind of video with a speech. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Then we'll download one video. Do you know how to download YouTube video only?
No, sir, I don't know
Yeah.
that.
For example, you like some kind of music, or if you like some kind of audio speech or video, whatever you want to use in your video presentation, you can get the YouTube video and you can download and you can use it. Let's see. This one, we'll type like, motivational speech like this. Okay. We'll get from Sadhguru. Sadhguru. So here there is a speech, the 12 minutes.